instead of blasting
all this stuff. But
just kind of like this.
yeah, no, that works. Okay, so is it facing me? Facing us?
Yeah.
I can't tell with this thing.
That's wide. So.
All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Kevin Kemper. This is Brandon Vanderpool. Today, we're going to install a GFB Go Fast bits in this 328i BMW xDrive. We are also going to put in this engine Evolutions intake. What we're going to do, we already kind of got started. We're just going to basically do a time-lapse montage of it all because it's going to be a lot of work. So we're just going to play the video through. Yeah, you'll see it. All right, let's get started. Also with us today is Dustin Vanderpool, who will be doing probably most of the work. Say hi!
Oh.
Hours later, bye Dustin. Hours later, after trying to get this off, we finally got it off. It was extremely difficult. We watched other videos on how people took it off, and we had to take a whole entirely different route using a very small ratchet, and we finally got it off. So now we're going to assemble a new piece on here and get it back on. Yay. Let's see how this orientates. It will line up like so. This is how it'll fit onto your OEM piece here. A lot like that. Now there's obviously a lot more that goes into this, but yeah. This is going to suck. Filming this?
This is going to be very loud. I don't think we're going to be able to talk here.
Probably not.
So
Yep, they'll sit just like this.
Where do you put the flashlight?
We'll be able to see the Go Fast Bits logo
Up here?
on the outside, yeah. From
Facing
where we're
this
at.
way,
Yeah,
or?
facing us. This
Okay.
should be facing us.
Perfect.
Make sure that's nice and lubed. Should be. There should be enough oil on there, don't you think?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. I want to make sure your ring in there is flush too. I'm surprised I didn't crack that actually. But our next pieces are here. Get your new spring. New spring will sit in here like so. It sits on top. Like this. See that? That's gonna go in to the back of that, and that into the deal. That's gonna be, yeah, it's not that.
That's gonna be fun.
Yep. There's your ring. Goes behind here into the diverter valve. All that joy.
Yay.
Yep.
And you have to assemble all in there.
Oh, it has to go back in. Dark. Good. What?
We'll just do that check and say it's the first one.
Yeah.
Sounds fair.
It was so easy. Everyone do this.
If you guys have any issues, we don't understand why.
Because we did it in 5 minutes. We're almost there.
We are almost there.
We're going to have to take it out for a drive once it gets all put together.
Yeah, sure. Assuming we can get it all put back together right. Yeah, this install is not for the faint of heart. If you have no mechanical background history, this probably isn't for you. What's up, everyone? It is 10:02 right now, 10:42, whatever. And so we got the Go Fast bits in, but only with 2 of the 3 screws that it came with. The third one, the one that's way up at the top, not sure if you can see that.
Right there.
But it's up there at the top. And it's straight and it's aligned in, but we can't find any tool that allows us to get in through there. And we've tried several, trust us. We're not sure if this is just a different thing, but we just can't access from the front or from the side or just pretty much any which way. We have tried several attachments, several tools. Right now we're just gonna put everything back together, see how it runs. I think we did crack the inlet piping to the turbo too, so not sure how well that's gonna work either, but we'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. This is terrible, this has been a day. This has been a very difficult job. It's definitely more difficult than I thought it was going to be. And I watched this video on Keys Motorsports on how to do it. I watched it on another channel, and they all seem to just get the access to that top last bolt, but not this car. So
it would help if any of the freaking stores aside from Walmart were open.
yeah, we didn't really have any access to stores either. We were trying to find some thinner, like, Allen keys maybe to get through there, but I honestly, I had like a regular Allen key. I had a regular Allen key like this, and I still wasn't able to get it through to the bolt, so I don't know what's the situation with that. There's just this block, this engine block is just, I don't know. This is the N20. xDrive, so maybe because it's xDrive, maybe there's just a difference in this engine block compared to the other ones. But yeah, it's just not working out. So, all right, we're gonna finish putting everything back together and see how it runs. Yikes. All right, well, this is everything put back together. We're gonna start it and see how bad we did. Here we go. Cross your fingers. This probably isn't going to be pretty.
Well, we want to
Sounds normal.
Get some driving footage tonight. See how it works. Still on there, so that's good.
Sounds pretty normal.
That bolt's not moving at all, but we haven't done anything, so. Recording.
Hi!
How are you turning the air off? Oh, hey, look at that. First drive.
You're right with you.
Alright.
I want to make sure I had my wallet here.
Should we just leave them?
Peace out.
Okay.
You want to lock it?
Oh, I thought I did. There we go.
Now you do.
I should have turned there, huh?
Well, you can turn around whenever. There'll be a stop sign up here. You can just turn around at.
So you can get her warmed up a bit. Assuming the inlet doesn't come off. No codes yet. Like you can hear it go.
That's probably just you can't hear it because we're driving or something. You don't have that loud of exhaust.
I mean, I hear the stock one when like I'm in town.
Should we like roll windows up and see how it sounds?
All right. It'll be a long walk, boys.
For you guys.
She warmed up.
I can hear it. There's 100. Oh, baby.
Here, get on it one more time when you turn here.
I'm really surprised that that's holding up. I wonder how long that'll keep it.
We'll find
I don't know.
out.
I'll get it done as soon as possible. From now on,
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
So you go this way, and then if you turn at the truck stop, yeah, you're at 240. Like 245 for horsepower.
Yeah, it's about 245, 250 for the torque. And then we're seeing me at about 240 on horsepower. Oh my Jesus!
Right.
Get back, let's see if it's still sitting on there, right?
Yeah.
But I could hear it though. When I was on it, I heard it though. It sounds different.
Ooh, there we go. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we were hearing. Did you hear that, Dustin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I want on my car.
The other one doesn't sound like that.
Oh, that sound is. I like that sound.
We're in manual mode now.
Get on it in a lower gear and then just let off without shifting. Yep. We're doing good. We made it.
She's a beast.
That's not something I would be saying on a YouTube video about fixing your car.
All right,
Well,
let's pop the hood and see what it looks like under there.
Looks like an engine.
Wow! You're so smart. So here we are. Car's out of the garage. We got the bolts in, pretty much all of them. Dustin came in and got the last one in pretty well, thanks to him. What a guy. Although the inlet is still broken. We took it for a test though. We didn't have any problems gone on it. Pretty good experience with it so far, so hopefully it stays that way until I get a new inlet. So yeah, other than that, it's been a long day. It was a really difficult install for us. So with that, I'm gonna head out and they're gonna do their own thing. So if you liked the video, hit that like button, get subscribed, and we'll see you guys in the next video.